Alright, so this is as clickbaity as the thumbnail of this video is. So let me go back. So if you click this video, it's either because you saw the thumbnail about making $2,500 a month, which is correct. So it's not a lie, okay? But the purpose of this video is for one person. If you happen to be watching this video and you're not Carlos, the Canadian Nicaraguan dude that I met because of the tattoo guy Hammy from somewhere that sold my tattoos. Subscribe because the truth is, this video is for Carlos and no one else. So I don't really give a fuck if you're watching this video. So if you happen to see it for some reason, you should like and subscribe because you would help my YouTube channel, but this is not actually for you. But anyway, let me get into it. So, dropshipping on eBay for a very long time. Back in the day, and this is for Carlos, this is not for anyone else. I started in 2013, and I was making about $10,000 profit a month clean after expenses with 364 listings on eBay. And I'm not gonna go into why. The people who understand dropshipping, like wow, but whatever. But your goal is to make $2,500 a month profit from someone that's from Nicaragua, and you're Canadian, so you have Canadian banking, Canadian eBay, and all this stuff. And everyone else on like YouTube about drop shipping, which I had on my screen behind us, which let me see if I can put that on. Right, so it was on. Well, it was on. Turn on. So the bottom line is, if you're Canadian, if you're Carlos, and you want to make $2,500 a month on eBay drop shipping, there are a lot of people who are doing it already in Ecom Sniper. Most people on the internet, when you search dropshipping, want to sell your course about running ads and all that stuff. The way that I do it has nothing to do with running ads. And the fastest way, so in Ecom Sniper, and I'll put a little screen with the Ecom Sniper Telegram, and a link to the Telegram, so if you want to join, whatever. But in Ecom Sniper, making $2,500 is not the goal. The goal is making $10,000 to $100,000 a month profit. But there are multiple people doing that already. So I could be like, I'm a guru, I can show you all that stuff, or you can just join the group. And Carlos, if you've seen this, send me a follow-up question to ask me what's the next step. Because this is not rocket science. If you're American or Canadian, you want to make $2,500 a month profit, dropshipping on eBay in particularly, people are doing it already using Ecom Sniper. So either join Ecom Sniper for $100 or send me a message. I'm tired.